How to add links to your PDF files in your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how you can get this done. What I mean by this is basically when you want to add a link which is going to lead to a specific PDF file that you want people to see. So you can just go ahead and use it in different pages, in text, maybe it's going to be a product description. Is going to work in any different way. It could be for size guides and so much more. So it's going to be actually very easy and simple to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. The first thing is actually going to be uploading the PDF file and getting the link for it. So just go ahead and sign into your Shopify admin, and then from here I need you to go to the content section on the left panel. So just go ahead and click on content, and then you can just feel free to click on files here. Now in here you can upload images, videos, documents, PDFs, and more stuff. So go ahead and upload the PDF files that you want to be able to link to. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on upload files. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and find the PDF that I actually want to upload. I'm just going to find it from here. And I'll just be using this one, this sample PDF that I just got. So I'll just be using that. Click on upload, and it's just going to upload here for us. So file uploaded now. So you can actually go ahead and see that we have our file. Now the next step is actually getting the link for it, which is a very simple process. You just want to hover over the PDF file that you want the link for, and you will find two things. The first thing is going to be replace, and then we also have the copy link option. And you can also click on it and you'll be able to see more information about it. But all we need to do now is just go ahead and hover over it and click on copy a link. Now that's done and we have our link copied, so we can just do Windows V just to check on it whether it's copied or not. Now you'll need to just go ahead and locate wherever you actually want to link it to. So it could be a product description, it could be a page, it does not really make a difference. In my case, I'm just going to go for online store pages, and I'll just create a new page and show you that it's going to be added in the contents. So add the page, give it a title. I'm just going to give it the title test PDF, just so I can differentiate later on. And then you can just add any text. Open PDF file here. So let's just go ahead and highlight the word that you want it to be a link. And then once you highlight it, you'll find this option here, which is insert link. So just go ahead and click on that. So click on link, insert link, and you will basically want to link to the same link that we just copied. So just go ahead and paste this in by, Control V or right click and paste in. And then you'll have the option to open this link in the same window or a new window. It's completely up to you. I mostly recommend that you do it in a new window. And then if you also want to add a title for it, for SEO purposes, you can feel free to do so. I'm just going to click on insert link. And if I just go ahead and click on save now, and if we view it, it should actually work now. So we can just go ahead and click on here, and it's actually going to open up the PDF here for me. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.